Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Today we will start chapter number 1, Fundamentals of Computer. So the question is, what is computer? Computer is an electronic device which takes input, process it and produce output. There are three functions which every computer performs, that is input, process and output. Suppose if you have to add two numbers, input will be two numbers, processing will be addition and answer will be output. So here a question arises, who tells the computer what to do and how to do? Answer is program. The proper definition of program is set of instructions given to a computer to solve a particular problem. But here the word particular means that a program tells about one task. As if we have to add one number, this is one task. If we have to subtract two numbers, this is another task. Next topic is evolution of computer. It is the computer we see nowadays is slimmer, smarter, compact, easy to carry, but it was not like this originally. It was huge, it has limited functionality, it has less power or less capacity. So how computer changes is the topic. First, abacus. This is the basic most computer. Simple device for calculating, consisting of frame with rows of wire and groove along which beads are slit. Invented in China. Abacus was invented in some BC. Like in some books it is 300, in some book it is 500 BC. It can do multiplication, addition, subtraction and division, and it is now used in schools in early childhood teaching. Next is Napier spoon. It is manually operated. What does it mean by word manually operated? It means something that is operated with hand. It was created by John Napier. It is basically consisted of wooden box. The slides you see, these are rods on which numbers are printed. It could do add, divide, multiply and subtract. Along with this, it could take care of a number. Here logarithm was invented. Next, Pascaline. Pascaline is also known as arithmetic machine. It was invented in Blaise Pascal in 17th century. It consisted of rotation of wheel. Rotation of wheel moves the number. The more rotation, the more circles of rotation, the number changes. So the rotation of the number was used to calculate numbers. Okay, difference engine and analytical engine is the base, is the foundation of computer we see nowadays. It was the invention or the first step or opened the doors of new exploration. Though these things couldn't work more, but still it holds important. It was invented by Charles Babbage, who is also known as father of digital computer. It was operated with steam, and the target of Charles Babbage was to make it automatic machine, fully automatic machine. Initially, it was analytical engine, difference engine. Then the idea of analytical engine came up. Then is Hall disk. The tabulating machine was electromechanical, means some part of it works electronically and some works mechanically. To assist in summarizing the information stored on punch card. Punch card is just like the debit card which has holes in it, and the number of holes explains the data. It was invented by Herman Hollerith. The machine was developed to help process data for 1890 US Census. What is census? Census is the procedure to calculate number of people or to know the population. It works with dial and gears, and this same tabulating machine was then owned by IBM that worked on it. Then is slide rule. It was invented by William Ortrud in 1920s. Here invention of logarithm was proposed in a full form. It could also do multiplication and division. Next is invention of biggest computer, digital computer known as Mark I. It was invented by students of Harvard University. It was used in World War II. It was 50 feet long and was 5 ton heavy. 1 ton is around about 40 kgs or something more than 40 kgs. It consisted of 7,50,000 parts, and it could do one instruction in 1 second. Like, it was very slow.